Hi friends, how are you all? After a long time, I have come with another English poetry video. As you know that I always try to express important social messages through my poems. In this video, I also try to convey an important message through my poem on the occasion of World Environment Day. We know that World Environment Day is observed on 5th June in every year. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. In this ongoing pandemic, especially in the second wave of COVID-19, many people have lost their lives due to the lack of oxygen level caused by the excessive pollution. We all should plant some saplings in order to expand the greenery so that the oxygen level has been increased in the air and we can take the fresh air. Nature will be healed by this. Greenery is essential to maintain the ecological balance. If we do plantation, the theme for World Environment Day 2021 will be successful. This message has been expressed in this poem. So watch it till the end, and if you like my efforts, then please do a like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Save nature, save earth. Save nature, save earth. Give trees a new rebirth. Take this oath. Is life's path. Plant some trees. Make our environment pollution free. Greenery is a necessity. Shall people realize its sincerity? Air polluted, water polluted, everything polluted. Excessive cutting trees can cause permanent damage. Destruction of ecological balance. Responsible for natural ravage. Make animals' life harmful. We humans should be more dutiful. Natural calamity may be nature's revenge. An approach towards meaningful guidance. To conscious people of nature's importance. The lesson of making healthy ambience. To get rid of environmental adversity. To get rid of natural calamity. To regain the fresh air. We can be the creator else nature can be the destroyer. Plantation is the only option. There is no alteration. To make our environment beautiful, we should be more dutiful.